You never know if you're going to win or lose. You never know if you make something, if it's going to work, and only by taking that risk, you try and make something that you think will be of interest to the world, that level of connection. Sometimes you have to go, why am I doing this? You know, you lose your way, you're not sure if things are going to work, but when you feel that connection, it's a beautiful space and it's a beautiful feeling, and then you feel worthy of doing what you do, and it feeds you and it feeds us, and it's an amazing thing, live performance. All my background is not so much text and dialogue. You know, I really love pictures, I love composition, things that are within us or that we see inside a world, and how do you find the right images and take those things that are traditional, how do you make the community trust you with taking things that are sacred into a context of theatre where they feel safe enough to gift those things to you. Look, I really love magic, and I was very fortunate to meet some magicians years ago when I was in my 20s and go into that world. And I think the element of surprise and the element of the magical, I think it's something that everyone loves. It's that thing of how one brings magical things to stories. What is beautiful, it's not to do with, I'm going to do a trick and fool you, it's to do with how one uses that art form inside storytelling.
These ones before, you know, we could do it again.
What, be an actor again?
Yeah.
Nah, boy, I'm a winner. Let's get inside.
Well, what can I say? I mean, the Naked Samoans, they are, you know, loved by the nation, and so it's just a great opportunity.
Shim! How you been?
Where am I? Planet of the Apes?
Get back down! Get back down! Get back down! Guys,
Nina and Conch helped us to reinvent ourselves, because this is like nothing that we've ever seen of the Nakeds before, and that's always a joy for old dogs to learn new tricks. Look into my eyes.
Which one? You got the three of them.
Shh.
I represent 1,000 souls who never made it this far. They're watching from the other side of the stars.
The white guitar, it was life-changing actually, because when you put something like that in front of people, you know, owning their own thing, owning all those hidden things, there's a freedom that it releases.
My last leg in jail, I got out in '83, and about 70, in the late 70s in jail, I started writing this book about my life. The prison population for Samoans, they're only second to the Maoris now, and that was an indictment to me, because once upon a time there was only 2 or 3 of us in there, me and my cousin. Now, like I said, it's just blown out of proportion, and I wanted to write a book to answer that, or, you know, to try and help our young people understand themselves.
I don't think I would have felt easy giving our story to anyone else but the Conch, just because of the relationship I'd built up, and the way they held us through not only the white guitar, the rehearsal period, putting the story together, you know, allowing us to go through things. It was a hard process, but with the way they carried us and let us tell the truth.
The winner of the Senior Pacific Arts Award for 2017 is none other than the fabulous Nina Nawalowalo.
Everyone has to do groundbreaking work, and everyone has to break ground by even going into the art. So each person is extremely brave. And so that voice, it's unique because it's a huge base of what is really very, very present now inside New Zealand theatre.